Yeah, but yeah. What I definitely movie after, obviously you know me only from Mahanati,
Yeah.
so I was like, definitely your biggest fear will be how will this boy who did Mahanati or something full of ఏదో యాక్షన్ అంటున్నాడు, మైథాలజీ అంటున్నాడు.
Yeah. So that we discussed. So you
Yeah,
like the way you explained, I'm fine after
yeah,
that. So the first
yeah,
Pennan Garu narration when your first film,
yeah,
he told me you sat down on near his
yeah,
legs down properly, bachi patam veskoni kuchuni, you were narrating.
yeah.
He's like he didn't that time also definitely he didn't understand.
No,
I
no, no.
asked him, "Wow, what
Then I was fully
I told
scared.
him
Like
like I couldn't
Pednanga,
understand first narration. What did you understand? He was like, yeah, I understood few
yeah,
parts, but I understood he's very smart and he used to say, do with this director. He's very good. From the first
yeah, yeah,
film, he was
yeah.
always telling Nagi is very good director. He's going to be very big director. You should do a film with him. And he was telling, watch Yovade, first watch it. You see that fellow, he's too good. And I was like, yeah, and all. Finally, you
Finally, I came.
did the biggest film for me.
Pednan garu, I don't know if I was nervous when I came to you or not, but when I went to Krishnamurti garu, I was definitely nervous. And that was everyday first movie,
Yeah.
and అంటే and going to him, the biggest star, going
Mm.
to him and narrating the story, I definitely fully nervous. I don't know what was happening. ఏదో స్టార్ట్ చేశాను ఆయన కోసం ఏదో చెప్పడం స్టోరీ. ఇంకా ఇది వర్కౌట్ కావట్లేదని చెప్పి ఇంకా కూర్చొని సార్ ఇది బేసిక్లీ కదా ఐ జస్ట్ సాట్ డౌన్. I said this is what the story is. ఇప్పుడు నేను కరెక్ట్లీ బికాస్ విల్ బి యూస్ టు అ ప్రాపర్ నరేషన్ కదా, మంచి రైటర్లు మంచిగా యాక్టింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ చెప్తారు కదా స్టోరీ. మనం
జంప్లు సౌండ్లు
మనం
ఆర్ఆర్లు కెమెరా
అదే అదే
అని
సో
చెప్పి
అలా చెప్తారు. నేను ఇంకా సగం తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఏదో ఏదో అలా చెప్పి ఇంకా ఐ వాజ్ ఫుల్లీ ప్యాక్ అయింది అప్పుడు. And I still remember. I think uncle called, like that uncle called after the narration. He called Ashwin after the narration, and he said, అది అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వచ్చాడు బాబు వచ్చాడు ఇది చెప్పాడు, ఏం సరిగ్గా అర్థం కాలేదు కానీ చేస్తాను సినిమా చేస్తాను, నచ్చాడు చేస్తాను సినిమా అన్నాడు. I liked him. I don't know what he said.
Loved
He
you.
said, yeah. Yeah. Then he fully enjoyed on sets. ఒక 2 రోజులు షూట్ చేసాం కానీ fully we had such a good time.
Yeah,
Such
you
a good time.
also wrote, his character is very beautiful in that. The way he talks, his walk, his everything beautiful.
That whole shawl and that look and all was his idea only.
Okay.
అంటే నాకు ఇంకా నాట్ వెరీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ ఆల్సో, ఏదో వెళ్ళాము మా యాజ్ యూజువల్ ఫస్ట్ టైమర్సే కదా మనం, ఫస్ట్ టైమర్ కాస్ట్యూమ్ డిజైనర్, ఫస్ట్ టైమర్